Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both the sticker and the surface. This reduces bubbles and adhesion failure. Once cleaned with isopropyl alcohol and dried, position the decal using a hinge of masking tape so alignment is exact. Press lightly at first to tack, then move to a firm squeegee stroke. Apply pressure from the center outward to force out air and make a single, confident pass. This sets the adhesive and prevents shifting while you continue. Once tacked, slowly peel the backing at a 45 degrees angle. Doing this gradually prevents the vinyl from lifting with the liner. If any part tries to lift, lay it back and squeegee again before continuing. After the liner is off, run the squeegee across the transfer tape to fully secure the vinyl to the surface. For curved or textured areas, apply brief heat bursts around 100 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit so the material conforms and bonds. To finish, pull the transfer tape back over itself at about 180 degrees, slowly and with steady tension so only the tape releases. If you see small bubbles, make a tiny pinhole and press the air toward the edge. This keeps the vinyl flat. If an edge lifts, apply gentle heat and press it down with a squeegee. If that fails, lift just the problem area and reapply adhesive before resealing. This resolves most installation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.